I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day this cell will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all cell organelles are created equal, but the vacuoles, vesicles, and lysosomes are pretty darn important. I have a dream that one day in the rolling folds of the Golgi apparatus, that the post officers will sit down and realize that without incoming vesicles to modify and ship out, they'd be out of a job, and the Golgi apparatus would never live up to its true potential. The Golgi apparatus would be nothing but a rusty, broken down, abandoned organelle. I have a dream that one day even the arrogant nucleus, an organelle boasting with its run-of-the-mill phrase, the brain of the cell, an organelle that brags about the fact that it is known by everyone, will be transformed into a state of humility when they see that there is a reason why the plant's vacuole is larger than the nucleus. The vacuole controls the turgor pressure, which is the stiffening of the plant due to an influx of water. My friends, we must get our priorities in order. That is obviously much more important than a ribosome-producing organelle. It holds the plant together. They will also see why animal cells require several smaller vacuoles that act as handy-dandy storage units that keep the waste off the streets and act as a safe place to store essential components of life, such as food and water. I have a dream that one day, down in the cytoskeleton, with its marvelous actin filaments and intermediate filaments, gathering around and discussing about how they are the cell's gorgeous roadway to transport material, will appreciate that the cell is only beautiful because of the lysosomes, the garbage disposal unit of the cell. The lysosomes carry the best material, hydrolase, which is a state-of-the-art enzyme that breaks down moist materials and cellular debris. One may argue that even vesicles carry junk, but the solution is easily corrected because of the lysosomes, which can even fuse with other vesicles carrying rubbish and break it down, making the vesicle shine with cleanliness. And when this happens, when we allow all other organelles to be humbled and realize that vacuoles, lysosomes, and vesicles are indeed the most important organelles, we will let it ring from every ribosome, ring from every peroxisome. We'll be able to speed up to that day when every organelle joins hands and sings, "You better know that vacuoles, vesicles, and lysosomes are where it's at." Thank you.